Hi, and welcome to C1 Risk Training. This training is specifically for auditors who are conducting an external audit in the C1 Risk platform. Today, we're going to show you how to create findings related to your audit for risk mitigation for the compliance team. So let's get into the training. So again, we're going to be in our obligations library in the regulation that we are auditing. And from that control requirement, what we can do is if we want to create a finding, we're going to actually relate this to the internal control. So we'll click into the internal control section, into the relevant internal control. And then from here, what we want to do is go to test results first, because we're going to document the test result and what actually failed. So we'll go to test result. And then the next thing we want to do is just do add new. That will automatically populate the information for the test. And then we just want to describe our test procedure. In the test procedure description, set the status, and note we have a number of different ways. Depending on the type of audit that you're doing, you can select the appropriate test result. I'm just going to put fail just for simplicity. You can add any test notes, additional test notes here. Again, you can attach documentation. Then we just want to click save. Then we go to our final step in the process, and that is to come to the issues tab here in the test result. And now we're going to add a finding. And we just name our finding. Add a description of the finding here. Note that it's automatically connected to the test result. And then we can put our recommendation here. And then what we want to do, you can assign yourself as the reporter. And then we just want to assign this at least to a primary contact. And that would be your compliance manager. And again, as the risk manager, we want to put the same person, the compliance manager. They can reassign it when they receive the finding. And what that will do is once we save that, we do want to put a due date. You can decide upon those due dates with the compliance manager themselves. And then we just want to click publish for the finding. So we want to click publish, and that will then send a notification to the compliance manager. So that concludes our training for today. Thank you very much.